Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0TDI 150B horsepower R-Line DSG with comfort package in a stunning green exterior colour. With only 64,366 kilometres on the odometer, this 2-litre engine SUV is ready for any adventure. Packed with comfort and safety features such as satellite navigation, collision alert and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Not to mention the luxurious interior trim and stylish chrome package. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style and safety with the Volkswagen Tiguan.